Okay, what up, world? It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. What we got here, if you see my DIY detergent video where I was also cleaning up laces or whatever, then you know I'm already at the point where all I gotta do is just throw these in, pick them up. And what you got here is bleach, color safe bleach, my DIY detergent. And we can sing the song Happy Birthday, or we can sing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. See what I'm doing? L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Come on. T, U, V. Get in there and squeeze and roll them around. W, X, Y, and Z. And those shoelaces are pretty much clean now. Especially these particular blackcat laces. And that's all we're doing. We just taking them, we washing our hands. Okay? Every now and then, squeeze in there, wash your hands. Alright? So when you turn the water on, it's already heated, ready to go. Gonna keep on squeezing and washing our hands. And that should be good right there. Okay? Didn't take nothing but a minute to do so. Now we're not gonna just keep on squeezing them. So what we're gonna do is separate your laces. As you can already see, I have no bleach discoloration, no bleach stains, none of that going on. Take your laces at the top, line them up correct. Squeeze slowly. Squeeze and let that water come out. Then you start over and do it again. Okay, and then after you're done, if you have a way to hang them up, boom, hang them up. So again, there's nothing too hard about that. Okay. Now I got some blackcat 13s. Okay. Just gonna throw these in there. Those are the insoles. Throw them in there. But we're not going to keep them in there too long. I'm trying to make the video a little bit fast because I don't want my time to run out on me. Even though I got 13 minutes. Okay? So boom. I'm getting this done for y'all. And this is just the process of how I clean any shoe. I don't care how big or small it is. Shoe cleaning is shoe cleaning. And no, we don't do washing machines. We can. You can, but I'd rather not tear my shoes up with the washing machine. So I'm going to do it all by hand. Okay? Here's a rule of thumb when you're dealing with J's. This water is not extremely hot at all. If anything, it's lukewarm. You remember all those stupid ass stains that was on there? Where they at now? Just by letting it soak in the water. See, I got the blackcat symbol back here, so I'm gonna be kind of careful with the way I'm gonna scrub it, but I'm not gonna scrub it too hard. But when I get away from that symbol, like I just did, I'm gonna let that thing have it. What you can do is you can get you one of them scrubbers, those hard bristle scrubbers at a Dollar Tree that go on a grill. And you would think that it would tear a shoe up, but it wouldn't. Because it's only certain parts you're going to use it on. And that's anything that's hard plastic, you're going to use it on. If you got a bunch of hair, dog hair, whatever, girlfriend hair, wife hair, you just a hairy foot. No, I'm playing. but you can get all kind of stuff off. Okay. So from this point, what we're gonna do is you always give your whatever you clean a little rinse. Okay. Some people may not recommend me squeezing it like I'm doing, but that's what I'm doing. I'm squeezing. Okay, so boom. Got that one clean. We're going to work on the shoes in just a few seconds here. So with that being said, go ahead, drop your shoe off in there. Okay? I've just shown you that you can use bleach, but what you're going to do first is put the bleach in the bottom with your stopper in, of course. You're going to put your detergent, no matter if it's dishwashing liquid or whatever you're using, anything that's going to produce suds, you're going to put it right over top of your bleach. Let it have a reaction. It'll start neutralizing the stuff that makes the bleach make your clothes change colors. I hope y'all heard that part. Okay, then you add your water over the top. Okay. Go ahead and squeeze it. If your water is steaming, it's too hot. Because you don't want to have to do a re-glue. Boom, clean. Okay? So that one's in there already. Here goes one in there. Here's the other one. It has not been cleaned. We're going to throw them both off in here. Okay? I'm 7 minutes in at this point. Alright? Take it out. And I'm using a brush that you brush your hair with. Because it's not going to be too abrasive. And we're just going to get in here and we're going to get the scrubbing. Okay. And these really wasn't that dirty, but like I said, I get my stuff off of eBay, and y'all may have seen when this came in. But again, that was kind of a darker video, and I'm sorry about that. But as y'all can see, I'm not using no shoe, whatever that is. I'm not using that. You know I know the name of it, but I'm not going to even give them a shout out. For what? I'm just showing you how you can get the same damn results in your own home. Huh? Same results in your own home. Okay? And that's all we're doing, is we cleaning up these shoes. Ain't no big deal to it. Just get it done. Okay, since there is no insole, we don't have to do all that scrubbing on the bottom part there. We're just gonna work on the side. See that? See that motion I'm doing? That whole damn side, from the toe down to the heel, you're gonna go back and forward with it. Sometimes you might need to go get you some more soap or get you some more water, whatever you need to do. Here's the back of the tongue. Yep. You guessed it. It needs to be cleaned. And keep in mind, I got bleach in here. There is no discoloration on the shoes. So now I'm disinfecting, I'm cleaning, and I'm getting the shoe extra clean because I'm using color safe bleach or regular bleach, and I'm using a combination of both, which is also helping it to neutralize any of the discoloration. So again, if you have not seen my video on how you do your laces, you'll see the process of setting up your water with the detergent and the bleach and the color safe bleach. Okay, That way you'll never go wrong. You can do hats with this. You can clean whatever you want to with these same techniques. Now, boom, we're done. Okay? So what we're gonna do real quick, we're gonna rinse it off. And what you see is what you get. And I think you're gonna love the results. Let's squeeze some of that out. Now, if you got steaming hot water, you are messing up. You will have to re-glue. You're going to make something come off that don't need to come off. You're going to be very upset with yourself, not me. Because this is not hot water. All right, so here goes the big reveal of the first shoe. Okay. See how clean that is? It's going to dry that damn clean. Jordan Black Cat 13 with the black cat on the insole. So you know it's still good. Now, it's your homie Mag 357 Guns. Live, learn, love, and grow. 1. Clean your shoes, man.